Alright, so right now, I haven't shown you my computer yet, so I'll do that right now. This is my build. This is an NZXT Hades case. Has the ports up there, 2 fans on the top, the front opens. It's really cool. Got fan controllers down there, you probably can't see them. Running at max. This is actually the power button right here. You push it in. Some people during unboxings I saw said that this was the power and they only have the power. That's actually the reset. It also has a LED fan down there, 200mm. Has a filter on it, and the filter, some people say that I saw one unboxing and it's actually on the inside, so it's harder to get out. I can actually pull this off really easily. Hold on. So by pulling this off, it comes off super easy. You can see the fan right there. There's dust filters and everything, which is great. But the fan is actually on the other side of that. Or not the fan, the dust filter. You have to take the fan off to get to it. But actually, it works out well because it gets trapped right here. And I actually just use a air duster sprayer. I just spray it and it cleans it. There we go. So I moved the back fan, this one right here. This actually was on the back, which was right there. And I moved that up here. That stayed where it was. I had to move the fan on the outside, as you can see, and it's kind of just wired through there. Screwed in. Fans on the other side, it's taped, it looks shitty, but maybe I'll fix it later. As you can see, it fell down actually, so gotta fix that somehow. But it's because, I'll show you in a second. I'll get this off. So as you can see, the filter slipped off, but whatever, I don't care. There's a cubby hole down there, so I need my computer to fit in there. So that's another reason why I went with this case, is because it's quite small. So, if you can see with the light, I mounted the Corsair H70 on the back, and it looks really sharp, works very well. Temperatures usually don't go over 50 degrees Celsius, I haven't seen it go over that. Got the ATI Radeon 5870, 1000 watt power supply, Silverstone. I got that Asus Crosshair 4 Formula motherboard. Just got a cheap, crappy, just DVD writer thing. It cost me like 17 bucks. Then I got the 1 terabyte Western Digital Caviar Black hard drive. And I got Ribsaw G-Skill RAM, 8 gigabytes. They're just 4x4 gigabytes. I just went with a lot of gigabytes because, I don't know, I just wanted to, I guess. And it looks really neat. I did great with the cable management. If you can see, all the wires go through there. That goes through there very nicely, through the grommets. Down here, looks all sharp. I also have temperature readout. One up here, one above the power supply, and one by the hard drive. And I really like this build. It's my first build, and it looks really sharp. I might go Crossfire later, when the cards get a little cheaper. That's what I'm thinking. Just to show you the temperature readout, you can see it. So that's what it's reading right now, and it goes HDD, so hard disk drive, which is just right there, right over there. Then the second one is the CPU, and then it's the system. So I have this one over my CPU, and the system is the one above the hard drive, or the the hard drive above the power supply, so that's why it runs a bit hotter. So that's my build. I'll show you what I'm running it at right now. Oh, I also just got the Razer Naga, the Razer Lycosa. I got the quick Steel Series mouse pad. It's alright. I'm getting used to it. I have actually, I was looking at how to overclock, and this is a great one. AMD Phenom x6 overclocking tutorial. I saw it on Linus Tech Tips page, or ncix.com, and Linus is doing it. So that's over. I followed his tips and whatever. Oh, that's my video. Okay, just delete all this. So, what I'll show you what I'm running at right now. So I'm running at 4 gigahertz. So I did do another video, and it went up to 3.85, but I manually overclocked it. I can actually overclock it. I've done up to 4.2 something, and I'm actually just gonna run through that right now. So I'm gonna overclock it to 4.1, because 4.2 makes my StarCraft have, during the videos, it has like weird lines. It's usually just like one line, and it goes like this across like his helmet or something. It's kind of annoying. So that's why I have to keep it lower. Temperature wise, it's fine. I didn't do any tests or anything, so I don't know if it's actually stable. But we will restart. So I'm just going to overclock it back up. What else can I show you? Don't really have anything interesting. Got my PS3 over there, and my TV, and my Halloween costumes over there, and my greaser, or I guess grease lightning. Oh shit! I think I missed it. Oh no, I got it. Okay. So as you can see, I'm at 4 gigahertz. That's a RAM frequency. At first, when I was overclocking, the RAM, I have G-Skill RAM. It's DDR3 1333, and at first, I guess my motherboard, it wouldn't read it or something. I overclocked my RAM wrong or something. I pressed the memo K and it worked fine. So that memo K button kind of saved me, since it's my first build too, and I don't know a lot about overclocking. What I did was I just followed the Linus Tech Tip video. I put 14 multiplier, disabled that, put up my bus frequency to whatever he had it. I did the memo K with that. I don't think I touched this. And then I put up my voltage, my CPU voltage, to 1.45. And again, I didn't touch anything else. Didn't have to. RAM voltage was auto. It was memo K button, so go memo K. So right now I'm just gonna overclock it to 4.1. So we will go 4.1. Again, I don't want to do the 4.2. I can do it. Maybe I'll show you. I don't like it. Okay, we'll do it. Let's have to underclock it later. So 4.2 to F10. Save, blah blah blah. Okay. So I'll show you my motherboard. So it goes through some tests. I love this. As you see, look, red light. So now it's doing RAM. Now it's doing something else. It's testing it. When the red light stays on one thing, it's usually bad. Okay, there you go. And the Naga is amazing. I love it. It's great. I play World of Warcraft, so I just got back into it. It's fun. You can use all these buttons on the side. I have the trainer buttons on because I just got it. Alright, so starting up. Oh, this video is already 10 minutes. Oh my god. Okay. So my mouse like doesn't work. Sometimes it loads up. I think it's because of the software. Yeah, it works fine now. Alright, so let's go here. Computer, properties. Yeah, 4.2 gigahertz, which is great. Like I haven't really run a lot of video games through it. The one thing I am concerned about is StarCraft2. That's the only one that I want to make sure works fine. Crisis, I don't know, I haven't done any fraps or bench tests. Alright, I'm just gonna log in. So, Scott Johnson. Okay. Okay, let's go. We're online. So right now I'm running on high settings. I can run ultra, but when I get into battle, it doesn't run smoothly, so we'll go campaign. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So see, we're logging in. There's entrance up. By the way, this is loud. That's the 870. But I don't mind. And this speaker system is amazing. Cost me $60. This is the best $60 speaker system you could ever buy. I have my movie quality in high. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it down. We're gonna see, you can see on his helmet, there's like a line. There's this one line on his face. Everything else is perfect. Nothing's wrong. Nothing's happening here. Nothing's happening here. It's just this guy. I don't know why.
The most wanted man in the sector. You ain't that hard to find.
It's intense right now.
I had to see it for myself.
Oh, it went away. Right there, right there. And on his face.
Little Jimmy
right there.
Rainer, the people's hero.
It goes away when I underclock it, so I don't know what that is. Kinda there. It's just one line. That's it. I don't know why it does that. Probably because it's unstable. Blah blah blah. Okay. Let's get out of that. Also, another thing that you'll see when I go over this guy, the line. You can't really see it, but it's see how it's kind of like spaced out in between here. I don't know what that is. It's kind of like spaced out. There's like little spaces where it should be. It's not supposed to be like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this video and then I'm gonna underclock it and I'll show you.